So this was one of my personal cars, not a customer's car. I chose not to replace the sprockets and the phasers because nothing broke. This was a preventive maintenance for the timing chain. I definitely would have replaced the phasers and the sprockets if they didn't cost so much. I forget how much they cost, but it was a lot. You don't have to worry about this for the passenger side, but for the driver's side, this nut on the camshaft, you'll want to use that to turn the phaser so you can put the chain on it later. I'll show you. Back to the passenger side, this is the gear for the high pressure fuel pump. Notice the timing notch and the gold link, and there's another one right in front of the gold link. And you can see the long groove on the intake phaser and another gold link, and the exhaust sprocket, same thing. For the crankshaft sprockets, once again, same thing, that you'll see a notch for each chain. I'm just trying to show you how to put the chain on in this video, so I'll do another one that shows the torque values. Now we got the lower guide on, but we want to get the upper guide on, so we need to transfer that slack to the upper guide side by turning the harmonic balancer. Now you see we got that slack, so we can put the upper guide in. There's the marks again for the timing chain, the little notches. Again, torque values will be provided in another video. The driver's side bank was a little harder to get the chain on. Here you see the grooves again to align the chain. This side has black links. The exhaust sprocket was particularly difficult because you have to turn the sprocket back counterclockwise to match the notch up with the black mark. So to accomplish this, you'll want to go ahead and put the lower guide on, put the upper guide on too. Then this will take both hands, but you'll need to turn that exhaust camshaft counterclockwise with one hand and take your other one and get the chain into place. Like and subscribe for the follow-up and more videos like this.